How's it going today, folks? This is Grant from Cyber, and you're watching Travel. Now, I'll make this quick. Due to the COVID-19 outbreak, the content shown is recorded before the implementation of the general community quarantine and enhanced community quarantine, following the strict rules of staying home and staying safe. But once traveling is clear and safe, the adventure shall resume, given the fact that extra protective measures are applied. Ever wondered where I practice piloting my drone? All those gimbal tilts, smooth fly-through shots, and active track? There's a hilltop here in Guadalupe, Cebu, where you can practice piloting your drone without having to worry about obstructions. If you have a friend with you who owns a drone with sport mode feature, consider bringing them with you for a fun race. So, since I don't have much to say, sit back, relax, enjoy the view, and as always, don't forget to subscribe.
The home point has been updated, please check it on the map. Take off.